Chaparral is a shrub-dominated plant community that is well adapted to the Mediterranean climate of cool, wet winters and hot, dry summers. A key component of chaparral is chamise, or Adenostoma fasciculatum. As a dominant plant, it often forms impenetrable stands in the chaparral. The many branched shrubs are less than 4 meters tall. The grayish-brown bark is shredding. The small evergreen leaves are arranged in alternate clusters. These leaf clusters, or fascicles, are the basis for the specific epithet fasciculatum. The leaves are sclerophyllous, or hard, thick and leathery. Sclerophyllous leaves allow the plant to conserve water and survive in the dry chaparral environment. From May to July, Adenostoma fasciculatum produces terminal panicles containing many tiny, white to cream flowers. When the shrubs are in bloom, they create a white haze on the hillside. Adenostoma fasciculatum is in the rose family, or Rosaceae, and flowers in this family typically have 5 petals. There are 15 stamens, arranged in 5 groups of 3. In the fall, the fruits turn reddish-brown, giving chamise-dominated hillsides a reddish appearance. The only other species of Adenostoma also occurs in California, Adenostoma sparsifolium, or red shank. Red shank is taller than chamise and has a much more limited distribution, occurring only in Southern California. Like chamise, red shank has shredding bark, but the bark of red shank is redder than the grayish bark of chamise. The leaves of Adenostoma sparsifolium are linear, flexible, and not clustered. When you see that there are fewer leaves on the branches of red shank compared to chamise, it will be easy to remember its specific epithet, sparsifolium, or sparse leaves. Also, if you look closely at the flowers, you will see that Adenostoma sparsifolium has 10 to 12 stamens compared to the 15 found in Adenostoma fasciculatum. Adenostoma is a major component of the chaparral community and contains highly flammable resins that cause it to burn readily, as does its shredding bark. Following a fire, the plants will resprout from their base. An ecologically important member of the community, the plants provide cover for a variety of wildlife, and the roots of Adenostoma can hold soil on steep slopes. Here's a fun fact. Aphyllon tuberosum, a non-photosynthetic plant in the Orobanchaceae, is an obligate root parasite on Adenostoma fasciculatum. This means that Aphyllon tuberosum gets all of its nutrients by tapping into the roots of a nearby chamise shrub. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about the flora of California.